Today our topic is about negative keywords. Negative keywords are act as vaccine for our waste budget. So because negative keywords are nothing but irrelevant terms or irrelevant searches or misleads or these are comes to the negative keywords. So if we use negative keyword tool, then our ad will not shown to the wrong visitors or irrelevant visitors or mislead. So our budget will not be wasted. So that is the main purpose of the negative keywords tool. We have to use the negative keywords tool to avoid the irrelevant searches and also to avoid the waste budget. Because if we have the negative visitors, then we have to pay for them. So if we are running the ad, if some visitor is clicked on our ad or clicked on our campaign, then we have to pay whether it is relevant or irrelevant. So we have to be alert, because we are running ads for the profit, not for loss. So keep in mind and use the negative keywords and follow the my tips to avoid to waste your budget. Now let's know about native keywords. Native keywords is a type of keyword that prevents our ad from being triggered by certain word or phrase. Your ad aren't shown to anyone who is searching for that phrase. This is also known as negative match. So negative keywords are nothing but irrelevant searches, irrelevant terms. That means it will waste our budget. That are nothing but negative keywords. The words which are wasting our budget, which are giving irrelevant leads, irrelevant searches. So negative keywords, we should use negative keywords to avoid that misleads, to avoid our budget wastage. So here is the example. If we add a word like free as our negative keyword to our campaign or to our ad group, then the ad will not shown to the any such containing the term free on the display network, or to your ad is likely to appear on a site when your negative keywords match site's contents. Means, I will give another example. uh, the such term always gives us the list of keywords which are not triggering our ads, which are triggering our ads. So according to the search term report, we have to list out and we have to maintain, we have to add them into our keyword negative keyword list. So it will avoid our waste budget. And I will give some negative keyword examples. If we are selling soccer shoes, our negative keyword will be rugby shoes, like other sports shoes. So these are all the negative keywords. If I am running water leakage like plumbing works, the negative keywords will be like cell phone leakages, mobile water leakages, mobile water leakage problems. These are all the negative keywords of plumbing water leakages. If I am running plumbing water leakages as a keyword, if uh, my ad may trigger to cell phone water leakages also. So we have to add that negative keywords to the our negative keyword list to the our campaign or to our ad group. Then this type of irrelevant searches will not trigger to our ad. So if our ad is showing to irrelevant searches, then we have to pay whether it is relevant or irrelevant uh, such. We have to pay according to the cost per click or cost per according to the bid strategy. we have to pay to the Google. So our budget will be wasted. So we have to use negative keywords to avoid to avoid the waste budget first of all. So next thing is negative keywords. How negative keywords workouts. I will first of all the what are the things to what are the usage by using negative keywords, because negative keywords will increase our click-through rate percentage, and it will useful to increase the conversion rate. It will also increase our quality score. These three things are very very important to trigger our ads on the top, and are also it is also useful to keep our ad on the top. So we have to use negative keywords as much as possible as we have to use keywords. Now we have to use negative keywords as our weapon to avoid the wrong calls, wrong conversions, wrong reads. So it will act as our safety guard to avoid the waste budget. And next thing is, first of all, there are some steps to there are some ways we have to first of all we have to run the ad at least for 15 to 20 days. So after 20 days we will have some data. Before to list out the keywords, we should have some data. We should have some search term report. The search term report will give the data, and in that data it will give the performance, how the keywords are performing. It will show the keywords which are triggering your ads and which are not triggering your ads. So if we find not triggering words like irrelevant searches, then we have to list out them, we have to optimize them, and we have to sort out them and make some list in the Excel or worksheet, and add them in the negative keyword list. So and next thing is we have to use negative keyword match type also. So I step to step, here it is the setup. It is the setup for negative keywords. Select use negative keyword list, then choose the campaign type to apply the negative keyword list to, and then check the boxes of the negative keyword list you would like to use, then click save. Here is the some tip. Negative keyword list can't be excluded from smart display campaigns, and keywords can be excluded manually only from smart display campaigns. If you use a smart display campaign, then automatically the Google will not show to the irrelevant searches. That is the advantage if you use the smart display campaigns. So um, and next thing is, there are some parameters. There we have to use only 10,000 negative keywords or such terms per search or shopping campaigns. Then we have to only add 5,000 negative keywords per display or video campaign, and we have to only add 5,000 keywords, maximum 5,000 only per each we have to add only 5,000 negative keywords per negative keyword list with total of 20 lists from each account. These are the parameters. With these parameters, use native keyword list. So this is the about